Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Kohl's card number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohl's website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see the Kohl's card menu. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the options to apply for a Kohl's card as well as to pay your bill. If you already have a card that you wish to add, you can click on the pay your bill option, and now you will be able to add your card right away. Within this page, you will be prompted to enter your 12-digit card number as well as your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now the second and third information will not require you to look at your card. However, if you're finding trouble in locating your card number, then within the Kohl's card page, you will see the sample of what the Kohl's card looks like. And within this image, you will see that the card number is printed right underneath the Kohl's logo. You can simply check this location within your card and enter the corresponding 12-digit code within the card number section. After you have entered all of these information, you can click on the submit button and your card will be added onto your Kohl's account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your card number on Kohl's. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.